Today I am here to give a small presentation on the poem The Road Not Taken, and it is written by Robert Frost. So let's move. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood means here diverged meaning is parallel. In maths, I think you have learned in the maths that parallel lines means they are not intersecting with each other. Okay, so two roads are in a parallel position and in a yellow wood. Yellow wood here means wood means forest, and yellow means it is in the autumn season. Means it in autumn season. See, in autumn season how the woods are in a yellowish color. Yes, I think you have saw it. So two roads are in both are in a parallel position and in a autumn season. Okay, and sorry I could not travel both. Yes, a single person or a particular person cannot travel on the both road at one time. Okay, and be one traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. And the poet is telling in these three lines that be one as a traveler and be one a traveler long I stood. He liked to see the end of that both the roads. From in the middle he is standing, and from middle only he would like to see the ends of both the road. Okay, now let's move. Okay, so I would once again introduce to the first paragraph. Two roads are in both are in a parallel position. Both are in a parallel position and in autumn season. And poet telling a sorry to us that he cannot travel both the road. Yes, because a single person cannot travel on both the roads at a fixed or at a given time. Okay, and he is from standing in the middle of the two roads. He is like to see end of the two roads. The other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted view, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Then took the other just as fair. Then the poet decided to choose the second road, because with it that second road is a good road. But he was satisfied by that. See, the answer is given in the because it was grassy and wanted view. Because the fresh grasses are grown on second road, the fresh grasses are grown and it wanted wear. Here wanted wear means not a single person had traveled on that road, so it wanted wear. So as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. But on first road, no grasses, no fresh grasses are grown, and many people had traveled. Okay, second paragraph. Now moving to the third paragraph. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. And here poet is telling to us that when he woke up in the morning, both the roads are same only. So that I kept the first for another day. For another day, okay? First road he kept for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt it if I should ever come back. So the poet is having a doubtful mind that if the second road which I have choose in the present will lead wrong direction, so he was doubt that if I would ever come back again to the first road or in the middle of the two roads. Okay. Now moving to the fourth paragraph. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in the wood, and I took the one less travelled, and that has made all the difference. And here the poet is telling to us that his decision. The poet is telling to us in this fourth paragraph that if his decision will be wrong, so he would tell to other people with a sigh. In this poem, the poet is the poet is helping us to take decisions very importantly, because decisions are a very important part in our life. Yes, there is no doubt that making a decision in life is a very important task, because decisions only make us what we have to make in the future. Okay, decisions are a very important part of life, and we should not choose any decision in a haste means we should not choose decision in a very quickly manner, means in a very fast manner. We should be we should have to think it again and again, that the decisions we have chosen is right or wrong. Okay, um, and the poet is also telling us that uh, if we choose one wrong decision, and even if we work very 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 hardly on it, then also we will not get a desired result. Because why? Because we have chosen a wrong decision. Yes, we have chosen a wrong decision, and we will not get a desired result. So decisions are a very important part of life, and I hope that you have understood this poem. And if you are having any doubt, so please comment to me on the comment section. So thank you.